You certainly have heard the saying, the early bird catches the worm. But is it good or bad to wake up early? Today there is a legion of people willing to wake up at 5 in the morning, the 5 a.m. club, just to organize themselves better and have more time to do things they normally wouldn't, like meditate, read, exercise, and other hobbies. If you are part of the team that likes to get up later, you're used to hearing that waking up earlier makes people more productive and that it makes you feel happier and healthier. But you will be surprised to learn that British research shows that waking up early has many benefits. Did you know that? Waking up earlier is an important change that brings many benefits to your health and well-being. It may be hard in the beginning, but the benefits are worth it. Are you enjoying this video? Then give it a thumbs up to help our channel. Back to the research of University of Roehampton, United Kingdom, waking up early is linked to more health and life quality. According to the study, done with more than 1,000 volunteers, people who wake up earlier are thinner, happier, and healthier than those who sleep in. Are you interested? Do you want to know the benefits of beating your laziness and getting up earlier every day? A reason to be grateful. There is no better feeling than waking up early to see the sunrise and saying thanks to a new day. You can start your day by praying, thanking God for the miracle of life. Some people opt for meditation since it is easier when our mind is quieter. Improves your eating. Do you want to improve your immunity? Waking up earlier will give you more time to prepare a good breakfast. Eating the right things and calmly in the morning will give you the energy you need for your daily chores. Time to practice exercises. Of course, there are many other times when you can exercise, not only at sunrise. It can be good to unload all your tension after a day of work, exercising at night. But the truth is that at night, your chances of having other obligations or even of finding excuses to not exercise are bigger than in the morning. More productivity. Recent studies show that the habit of waking early is related to better performance at exams and academic tasks, besides an increase in productivity. According to scientists, people who have the habit of waking up earlier have more calmness and concentration to make decisions. Besides, it is great for those who want to reduce their stress and anxiety, since they have more time to think and plan everything you need to do throughout the day. Balances your internal clock. To wake up early, you need to sleep earlier too. The amount of sleep varies from people to people, but we know something. It benefits our circadian rhythm, our internal clock. Balancing this clock is good for our sleep and gives you more energy to do your tasks. As we have seen in a recent video, 10 to 30% of adults have trouble sleeping at least once a month. Watch this video to learn how to create a sleep schedule so you can wake up early and feel more invigorated, happy, and motivated.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.